This is my sister Diana, and the medications for her autism are more than $2,000 a month. The same medication in another country is $14.
Force a vote for Medicare for all.
We are the only developed nation on Earth that does not have some form of universal health care.
I went to the emergency room. They said that I needed to follow up with my doctor, and I can't go see a doctor. I don't have health insurance. I can't pay this bill.
I've been working in a nursing home about 5-6 years now, and they're telling me I don't deserve health care. I'm going tomorrow to a nursing home with active COVID patients.
Force the vote.
Let there be a vote for Medicare for all.
If we had a Medicare for all system, my dad could have just gone to the actual doctor and they would have caught the cancer earlier.
Force the vote now.
Hashtag force the vote.
People don't go to the hospital because they don't have insurance.
Force the vote.
We need Medicare for all.
By the time I had some idea of what to do to treat my illness, I could no longer afford to treat my illness.
Force the vote now.
I am one of the many millions of Americans who have lost their health care.
If you actually care about defending the human rights of Americans, force the vote.
I got stabbed in the chest, and their answer for me getting attacked was to charge me $275.
Force the vote. I had a bone disease, and my doctor goes, "You're not making bone properly." And I was like, "Well, should I take a Viagra?" He's like, "No." One day I stepped off the step the wrong way, and my spine collapsed. The insurance company wouldn't pay.
Force the vote. My father had health insurance, and we had to fight the health insurance company to try to get to pay for his life-saving medication. And I was sitting in a hearing where one of the Blue Cross Blue Shield representatives was sitting in front of me laughing. And I leaned forward and reminded him that the dying man that you're laughing about is my father.
That's not right. Force the vote. Force it.
Both Republicans and Democrats support Medicare for all. Force the vote.
Vast majority of our fellow citizens support it.
We expect our politicians to
Force the vote. And if the politicians aren't willing to demand it, then they should get out of the way.
Force a vote. I've had enough.
Force the vote. If not now, when?
Force the vote.
They ran on Medicare for all. The squad needs to do their job.
Screw all these partisan politics. It's time to start fighting for the people.
Please force the vote.
Not tomorrow, now.
I don't want to see any more theater or Instagram posts about how much you're doing for us if you're not using your power in a real way.
get things done.
Medicare for all would change the book.
Force the vote! Power doesn't concede anything to polite requests. The people have spoken.
If they don't give us what we're demanding, we need to vote them all out.
I am amongst an entire family of Republicans, and even they support Medicare for all.
I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. I have medical coverage, but hey, at any time, just like that, it can go away.
My mom actually died when I was younger. As she was about to leave her kids and her husband, my mom was worried about having to get treatment because it would have bankrupted our family.
Our insurance company refused my claims. They'll gladly let a vulnerable boy and his family suffer.
I actually used to be a fiscal conservative, diehard Republican, and I lost everything.
This is my sister Diana, and the medications for her autism are more than $2,000 a month. The same medication in another country is $14.
Force a vote for Medicare for all.
We are the only developed nation on Earth that does not have some form of universal health care.
I went to the emergency room. They said that I needed to follow up with my doctor, and I can't go see a doctor. I don't have health insurance. I can't pay this bill.
I've been working in a nursing home about 5-6 years now, and they're telling me I don't deserve health care.